My father's actually born in Łódź, Poland, in 1904. And he became a Yiddish journalist, and he wrote for some of the most prominent Yiddish newspapers in Warsaw before the war. And he was also, during the 1930s, the Warsaw correspondent for the Jewish Daily Forward in New York. And because he was a journalist, he was more aware than perhaps other people as to what was happening in Europe with the rise of Nazism, with the rise of Hitler. My father spoke English. He had learned English from people, from books, not really from formal study, but he spoke English. And in 1938, the Foreign Minister of Great Britain, Anthony Eden, was coming by train from Paris to Moscow. And the train was going to stop in Warsaw at 5:30 in the morning. My father decided to meet the train. He got there at 4:30, met the train, and got onto the train, and because he spoke English, he had an interview with Anthony Eden on the train. And the interview was really about what he was going to discuss with Hitler, with Stalin in Russia, and what he felt was the prognosis for the war. He was the only journalist, both from the Yiddish press or the Polish press, who had gotten this interview. And the next day there were headlines in the Yiddish press, interview with Eden, but even the Polish journalists indicated, wow, what a coup that one of our journalists spoke to Anthony Eden. So he was considered, he was a very well-respected journalist in Poland.